Hello, this is Abhishek with you. Let's start learning. To say I want in Spanish, we say yo quiero, yo quiero, or simply we say quiero, quiero. Like if you want to ask for a coffee, if you will say I want a coffee, you will say quiero un café. Quiero un café. Un means one. We use it to replace a in English. Like we say a dog. Then we will say un and the Spanish version of dog to translate it into Spanish, just for example. So let's get back. I want, yo quiero. I want a Coca-Cola. Quiero una Coca-Cola. You know, un for masculine, una for feminine. We consider Coca-Cola as a feminine. Una Coca-Cola. Quiero una Coca-Cola. I want a Coca-Cola. And then, how do you ask? I want 2 Coca-Colas and 1 coffee. Quiero dos Coca-Colas and un café. I want 2 Coca-Colas and 1 coffee, please. Quiero dos Coca-Colas y un café, por favor. As you know, for and we say y, and for please we say por favor, and for 2 we say dos. That's it for today.